Hi friends! Today we're going to explore the amazing habitats of living things. Do you know what a habitat is? Let's find out together. What is a habitat? Every living thing needs a home. This special home is called a habitat. It gives animals and plants everything they need to live, like food, water, air, and shelter. For example, a fish lives in water. A rabbit lives on land, and birds make their nests in trees. Each home fits their needs perfectly. Habitats are important because they give animals and plants what they need to survive. Without a habitat, living things cannot live for long. So, taking care of their homes is very important. There are many different types of habitats on Earth. Each one is unique and has special living things that can survive there. Let's explore the most common habitats. Our first habitat is full of tall trees and lots of animals. Let's see the forest. Forests are full of tall trees, plants, and many animals. Some forests are hot, some are cold. Animals like monkeys, deer, owls, and snakes live here. Trees give them food and shelter. Some animals live on the ground, others in the trees. Next, let's visit a very hot place, desert habitat. Deserts are hot and dry, with very little rain. Animals like camels, lizards, and snakes live here. Camels have humps to store fat so they can survive days without water. Desert animals often come out at night when it's cooler. From dry sands, we dive into the ocean. The ocean is the largest habitat on Earth. It is home to fish, dolphins, whales, sea turtles, and more. Plants like seaweed and coral grow underwater and give animals food and shelter. Some animals live near the shore, while others live in the deep, dark ocean. Next, we explore wide, grassy lands. Grasslands are wide, open spaces, mostly covered with grass. Animals like lions, zebras, elephants, and giraffes live here. Grasslands are often called the home of grazers because many animals eat grass. From warm plains, we go to icy lands. The Arctic is very cold and snowy. Polar bears, penguins, and Arctic foxes live here. They have thick fur or blubber to stay warm. Even in the freezing cold, some plants like mosses can grow. Now, let's move to freshwater habitats. Freshwater habitats include rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Animals like frogs, ducks, fish, and turtles live here. Plants like water lilies grow along the edges to provide shelter and food. All these habitats show how animals and plants live differently. Great job learning about all the different habitats. Now, let's test what you remember. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Which habitat has tall trees and many animals? The answer is B, forest. Now let's have question 2. This is the biggest habitat on Earth. Which one is it? The correct answer is A, ocean. Good job! Question 3. Lions, zebras, and giraffes live here. What habitat is this? The answer is still A, grassland. Next, let's move to question 4. Which habitat is hot, dry, and has very little rain? If you said desert, you're correct. Finally, question 5. Which habitat is snowy and home to polar bears and Arctic foxes? The answer is C, Arctic. Awesome job! Before we end, don't forget, you can download your free worksheets about habitats of living things. Just check the description box for the download link. Thank you for always supporting animated ideas. See you in our next lesson!